ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൻ്റെ മറ്റൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നവംബർ 4 ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2ൻ്റെ എക്സാം നടക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ. എക്സാമിന് ഇനി 2 ദിവസമാണ് ശേഷിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ കൂടുതൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് നിങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് വോയിസ് ക്ലിപ്പായിട്ട് ഇന്നത്തെ എപ്പിസോഡ് ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുകയാണ്. അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ കമൻ്റായിട്ട് അറിയിക്കണം. Question 1. Example of an umbelliferous fruit. Correct answer. Fennel is an example of umbelliferous fruit. Second question. The main mineral corticosteroid secreted by the adrenal cortex is dash. Correct answer. The main mineral corticosteroid secreted by adrenal cortex is aldosterone. Question number 3. Lansoprazole is used to treat dash. Correct answer. Lansoprazole is used to treat peptic ulcer. Question number 4. Pyrethrum is used as dash. Correct answer. Pyrethrum is used as insecticide. Question number 5. Nicotinamide is a dash. Correct answer. Nicotinamide is a respiratory stimulant. Question number 6. The respiratory center is located in the dash. Correct answer. Respiratory center is located in medulla oblongata. 7th question. Antidote of heparin is dash. Correct answer. Antidote of heparin is protamine sulfate. Question number 8. Insulin is secreted by dash. Correct answer. Insulin is secreted by pancreas. Question number 9. Purgatives are used dash. Correct answer. Purgatives are used to evacuate bowels. Question number 10. A condition in which there is a decrease in urine excretion is called. Correct answer. Condition in which there is a decrease in urine excretion is called oliguria. Question number 11. A condition in which there is a increase in urine excretion is called dash. Correct answer. Condition in which there is a increase in urine excretion is called diabetes insipidus. Question number 12. Tropane is derived from dash. Correct answer. Tropane is derived from ornithine. Question number 13. Bisacodyl is an example of dash. Correct answer. Bisacodyl is an example of laxative. Question number 14. Piperazine is an example of dash. Correct answer. Piperazine is an example of anthelmintic. Question number 15. Hydrogen peroxide is a dash. Correct answer. Hydrogen peroxide is a antiseptic. Question number 16. The standard for cosmetics are given in which schedule? Correct answer. Standard for cosmetics are given in Schedule S. Question number 17. Pernicious anemia is caused due to deficiency of which vitamin? Correct answer. Pernicious anemia is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B12 or cyanocobalamin. Question number 18. Benzodiazepine poisoning is treated with dash. Correct answer. Benzodiazepine poisoning is treated with flumazenil. Question number 19. Drug of choice in status epilepsy. Here the correct answer. Drug of choice in status epilepsy is diazepam. The other drugs are lorazepam and midazolam. These are under benzodiazepines. Question number 20. Pyrazinamide is used in the treatment of dash. Correct answer. Pyrazinamide is used in the treatment of TB. Question number 21. How many tablespoons full present in 1 fluid ounce? Here the correct answer 2. Because 1 tablespoon full is equal to 15 ml and 1 fluid ounce is equal to 30 ml. Question number 22. Nitrofurantoin is used mainly to treat dash. Correct answer. Nitrofurantoin is mainly used to treat urinary tract infection. Question number 23. The first Pharmacy Council of India was constituted in the year. Correct answer. The first Pharmacy Council of the India was constituted in the year 1948. One more points are there. Pharmacy Act was passed in the year 1948. at the same year. Question number 24. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act was passed in the year. Correct answer. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act was passed in the year 1971. Question number 25. The nerve of vision is dash. Correct answer. The nerve of vision is optic nerve. Question number 26. Vitamin K is associated with dash. Correct answer. Vitamin K is associated with blood clotting. Question number 27. The Poison Act was passed in the year dash. Correct answer. The Poison Act was passed in the year 1919. Question number 28. Peripheral neuropathy resulted due to the deficiency of dash. Correct answer. Peripheral neuropathy resulted due to the deficiency of pyridoxine. Question number 29. Local anesthetic agent used in eye surgery is dash. Correct answer. Local anesthetic agent used in eye surgery is cocaine. Question number 30. Bontrager's test is used to identify dash. Correct answer. Bontrager test is used to identify anthraquinone glycoside. Question number 31. Entrance of a drug into blood circulation is called dash. Correct answer. Entrance of a drug into blood circulation is called absorption. നമുക്കിവിടെ ടാബ്ലറ്റിൻ്റെ പ്രോസസ്സിങ്ങുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടുള്ള വിവിധ പ്രോബ്ലംസിനെ കുറിച്ച് കൂടി നോക്കാം. എക്സാമിന് ഈ പോർഷനിൽ നിന്നും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. ടാബ്ലറ്റ് പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് പ്രോബ്ലംസ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ക്യാപ്പിംഗ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് പാർഷ്യൽ ഓർ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് റിമൂവൽ ഓഫ് ടോപ്പ് ഓർ ബോട്ടം പോർഷൻ ഓഫ് ദി ടാബ്ലറ്റ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കാൾഡ് ക്യാപ്പിംഗ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, പിക്കിംഗ്. In picking, the materials is removed or picked up by the upper punch from the upper surface of the tablet. It is known as picking. Next one, sticking. It is adhesion of the tablet material to the die wall, known as sticking. Fourth one, lamination. Separation of tablet into two or more distinct layers. It is known as lamination. Fifth one, mottling. It is an unequal color distribution on the tablet. Unequal color distribution on the tablet is known as mottling. Thank you.